And it's been a nightmare already. I don't know like, how people deal with all this. The guy won't be able to move the truck until I tax it, and we just found out that I won't be able to tax the vehicle because to do this I need to have the... We're trying to ring up the DVSA or DVLA or whoever help us out. So we won't be able to tax the vehicle because the vehicle is... So we're in the Asta now, so pay our taxes and go and pick the truck, so let's go. All right, everything's gone south today. We're trying to tax the truck online, but because the truck is not in my name for that more than 5 days, I won't be able to do it. And it's been a disaster already. It's been absolutely meant to go wind up about everything. The guy won't be able to move the truck until I tax it, and then I need to go and pick it up in Hilton Park. Or is it going to be a service station near Hilton Park that we're going to go? What's it called? It's a truck stop. I got the directions and everything, so I'm going to go to the Asta. I need to go to the post office. The Asta. Gonna go to the post office and pay for this and be on my way to go and pick my truck up. So I do that right now. Blogging in the Asta.
I'm not with you.
You are blogging in the Asta. We are the third on the queue. I don't know if you can see that. So blogging in the Asta. Tax the truck. Go and pick it up. And let's see what the nightmare we find across. Anything? I come in to tax a vehicle. Yeah, I have. I haven't got a logbook. I got a number here though.
You need to go away and fill that in logbook.
Alright, I need to fill it in.
And you'll have to pay £25 for a logbook as well.
I already sent it off. The person was already sent it off. I got a number here of the B5. So I got to pay 25 quid for that as well.
And if you that B62, it'll just charge it automatic.
Alright, just
wait till your logbook comes out and tax it.
Jesus. Alright, okay. Alright, thank you. So I basically need to, because I can't wait to go and pick this up. I'm gonna have to fill this in. It's gonna cost me 25 quid. 25 quid just to tax a vehicle, more, and then to tax a truck is £1,500 as well. So we're talking about 1,525 quid for things that you sometimes don't even need, just to be able to tax this. So that's a robbery, a broad daylight. So I'm gonna go and do this now. So what did they say to you?
You need a V62, I think he said, because you haven't actually got the logbook. You have to pay like an admin fee.
An admin fee just to do this.
£25.
£25. So £1,500 and add 25 on top of that. Can I borrow your pen? So you got better high writing than I do, so
I'm not too sure.
go on, have a go at that.
Can't find the pen.
So we just found out that I won't be able to tax the vehicle because to do this I need to have the truck in my name for 4 weeks. So what's the point of filling this up to get a logbook when you already send it off, pay for it, you can tax it within 5 days? Why would you wait 4 weeks to do this?
Yeah,
it's just...
There must be a way, because so the problem is the vehicle was SORN within the last 5 days, and because it was SORN you cannot then tax the vehicle in a new keeper's name.
What's the point?
There must be a way around it because this happens all the time.
Like,
You know, leave a comment.
honestly, what a nightmare. If you know how to do this, just leave a comment underneath, because this is just turning from bad to worse. I just want to go and get my truck. I won't be able to do that shit now. We're trying to ring up the DVSA or DVLA or whoever help us out.
I missed that.
To miss that out.
You need to choose a valid option to continue. Here are the options again. If you would like
If you
us
don't
to
laugh,
hold
you'll
your
cry.
issues and call you back
It's a
when
very
the
famous
device
saying.
becomes available, press 1.
Yeah, okay, just put a SORN. I don't know when they did that. It was at the vehicle.
So we won't be able to tax the vehicle because the vehicle is being SORN. We need a green slip to be able to go and tax it. So we're actually trying to do as much as we can to be able. So if you own a truck and you want to sell it, do not SORN it. Wait until the other person taxes it and then you get your refund back, but do not SORN the vehicle. That's not a thing to do.
So
we're gonna go to Scania and find our post office.
get the slip for the truck first,
Yeah.
then go to the post office and hopefully tax it. If not, we bring them back.
You're right, sir. So I basically tried to do it in the post office. They won't let me do it because the vehicle needs to be on my name for longer than 4 weeks. Try to do it online. It needs to be at least a week or 5 days before I can tax it. The other solution, I rang the DVSA, I spoke to them on the phone, or the missus did, and they said the one way to do it is having that green slip, the B5, the one you sent me the picture of, and go to the post office, show them, and hopefully they'll be able to tax it there. Apparently it's because the vehicle's been SORN, and that is apparently what's causing the troubles.
Oh, is that what it is? Because I saw it last week.
Yeah, so they say like that sometimes causes a little bit of problems. But
oh, freaking hell. Okay, so what do you want to do?
If I can get the B5 and go to the post office, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. If not, I don't know where to go from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so go to the post office and be able to do that then.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I should be able to.
All right.
Okay, look, I'm just going to nip off now.
All right.
You'll be what, hour and a half down to
Yeah, an hour and 34 minutes, the sign I was saying right now.
That's fine.
All right, okay, thank you.
Cheers, bye.
Okay. And we're on our way now, and it's been a nightmare already. I don't know like, how people deal with all this. So, drive to the truck stop, get a B5, drive to the post office and trying to tax it there, and then everything hopefully work fine. Yeah?
Yeah, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Someone must know.
Have to be a way. So, if you know how to do this and you have done it in the past, leave it in the comment, let us know, because it's been a nightmare already. So on our way to get our truck, so let's do it. Alright, we just drove all the way down to Holly's now. It's been absolutely nightmare with all the traffic and all that. And I have never been to these services. I have never been. This is the first time this one. Well, you have been absolutely everywhere around the UK. It's the car, aren't we? Yeah. Truck's getting washed up there. Yeah, I just park over there and go around there, man. And then come to that and park there. So we're gonna have to wait for our man to turn up and do what we gotta do. So I think Perry's here already, so we're just going around trying to find him.
There it is.
Where? Oh, over there. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Woo! Hello!
You in your truck already?
Yeah, we got it. He's over there.
We're picking up, are you?
Yeah, we're gonna go in taxi now.
Cool. I bet you're super excited, aren't you?
Oh yeah, something new, isn't it? All right, when I taxi and I do all this stuff, we ring you back, all right? So we've been driving around to find a post office to be able to tax this thing. If we can't do it, we're gonna have to leave the truck there, but that's gonna cost money because I'm gonna have to pay for parking for God knows how long. But I'll be able.
Positive thinking. We're gonna tax the truck, we're gonna drive it home, we're gonna drop it off at the depot, we're gonna give it a clean.
So that is what we're doing right now, so find the post office. Alright, we're in the truck and we managed to tax this, and the cost of the taxing was £1,426. That's a lot of money used to tax a vehicle. So I'm just gonna put my car in, wait my 50 minutes and then be able to start driving back to the yard, put this away, start making phone calls to start doing most of the jobs. We're gonna have to do a massive clean.
Nice. Looking forward to that part.
So a lot of cleaning to do, and we're gonna start doing that as well.
And you got a free coffee maker.
Yeah, I got a free coffee maker. Like,
What more can you want to know?
It's a lot of things I'll be able to do. I'm so glad I got my own truck now.
It's exciting, isn't it?
She's doing the management course.
Transport manager course. Horrendous.
It's not that easy. She's doing it right now. It's a lot of paperwork in it, and it's horrendous. I've never seen anything like it.
It's an A-level qualification done in, well, mine's over a month, but the teaching days are 10 days, and it's really hard. We'll get there.
I'm gonna put my car in, wait my 50 minutes, and get out of here. So I will catch you in a bit. Right, the missus is already leaving, so. Ooh. I think I'm gonna have to put fuel in as well because I haven't got fuel. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. This pickup's got a weird sound. All right, first time or second time driving a Scania. Oh, it was on reverse all times. So, I can say I am the proud owner of a Scania V8. This couldn't get any better than this. I'm driving out of the services as well. So gonna go and park up. Gonna stop in the services first and park up this Scania V8. I don't know if you can see it there. Whew, what a day. It's been a day and a half, and I need to tell you all about how much of a pain it was to tax this vehicle. It was a nightmare. Everything was a nightmare today. Okay, we're leaving the services. Woo! This is on fast truck as well, which is gonna be confusing for me. Is that when I drive, I normally have the miles at the top and the kilometers underneath. So I'm doing 60 miles, 60 kilometers an hour, and I'm doing 40 miles an hour. So I need to get my head around that as well, but at least the sat nav tells me as well how fast I'm going, so I need to keep an eye on that as well. It's a lot to do on this. It's loads to do on this, but I'm more than happy to get crack on. So stop at the next services, meet the missus there, and do what we gotta do. Alright, I gotta meet the missus now here in one of the services. Stafford Services, I believe it's called. Go to the toilet and stuff like that, and then carry on our way until we get back to a place where we're parking up the truck. So that's gonna be quite exciting. So I'll be back in a sec.